Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. तो फिलहाल बहुत समय के बाद वीडियो डाल रहा है और ये कुछ नया तरह का कुछ ट्राई किया है। शायद आप सभी को पता पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा पता नहीं। तो फिलहाल कोई बात नहीं, इतना समय के बाद आया तो इतना बोलना नहीं है। Let's just jump into the video and hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.
Hey bro,
Hey,
YouTuber,
Huh?
YouTuber. Hey, I can see you, YouTuber.
Hey, no man, this is just my college degrees. Where are you from?
I'm from Bengaluru, India.
Hey, Anna, yen marta idea are?
Hey, you know Kannada? That's good, bro.
Hey, I'll ask you what is your name, okay?
My name is Manoj, bro.
Nan hesaru yennu, right?
Nin hesaru
Nin
ಏನು?
hesaru yennu, yeah.
My name is Manoj, bro. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು Manoj. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Nan hesaru chakang.
Hey, Chase.
Hey.
You are talking a Kannada. That's a great thing. I feel very happy, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, uncle.
Uncle, you are from?
Bro, I'm from Arunachal Pradesh, India, man. Just kidding. Just
India.
kidding. Yeah.
I'm army man, bro.
Army man. I'm very sorry, man. I'm very sorry. Yeah.
You are Hindi.
हाँ भाई हिंदी आता है हमको.
अरे यार तो यार क्यों बकचोदी लग रहा था उस समय से. What's up?
What's up, bro? Bro, do you know Kannada? Do you know how to speak?
I'm Kannadiga.
Hey.
ನಾನು ನೀನು ಲವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀನು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
अरे भोसड़ी के क्या लिखता है भाई?
Konnichiwa.
I don't do Japanese, bro.
What are you?
I'm Indian, bro.
Wait, what?
Indian.
What? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, namaste.
Hey man, namaste.
Hi, gozaimasu. He's Indian. I'm from Chinese.
Hey. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Hi.
Okay.
कहाँ से हो?
इंडिया से भाई. Where are you from, bro?
India.
Boy, binabangungot ka, gago.
अभी रात में तो आराम ही किया जाता है।
अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो या कंप्लीट या छोड़ दिया?
पढ़ाई छोड़ दी थी,
छोड़ दी? कौन सी क्लास में?
10वीं में फेल हो गया था 2 साल पहले।
तो क्लास 12 में हो जाता ना, क्लास 12 होके कॉलेज जा रहा था।
बस टेंशन नहीं लेनी।
अरे, फिर मम्मी पापा कुछ नहीं बोलते?
अभी यूट्यूब पर है। आर यू अ यूट्यूबर ब्रो?
What makes you think that, bro?
The background is so nice, bro. What?
Ooh, scrum yum yum purr.
Yeah, I was just saying, you know, like, stop and take rest because you've been running all day.
That's good one.
Which country are you from?
UAE.
Oh, yeah, I love UAE.
Yeah.
Yep, I want to visit UAE. You know, like, basically, every guy has pickup lines, but I just want to pick you up.
Dude, these are good. Where are they from?
I don't know, it just came, you know, after I saw your face, I suppose.
Sensational.
I was just thinking, you know, you're like a bank loan for me because you have my interest.
I'm sorry. These are like, they're good though. Like,
So by the
no,
way,
but seriously.
yeah, what's up with UAE? How's UAE?
It's pretty good. The fireworks are amazing, dude.
No, the New Year fireworks, yeah, I've heard about it.
Yeah.
You know, in India, it's like things going on right now.
It's just boring.
It's not boring particularly. It's like you know, it doesn't have you here, right?
Dude, fuck.
अरे बस कर भाई और पागल कर दिया पीछे छोड़ दे
Bro, what the hell?
Mm-hmm.
These would definitely work on someone if you're trying to get them.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, they
I was
would.
just wondering if it's working for you because I want to get you. What's your name?
My name. Let me think about that.
You don't want to give me your name, huh?
I'm gonna think about my name for a second. Wait.
Why? Because you want to add my last name to your name?
Maybe.
This motherfucker don't miss.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. फिलहाल बस ये कहना है कि thank you so much इतना समय तक साथ देने के लिए. And अभी फ़िलहाल वीडियोस डालता रहूँगा, स्किप नहीं करूँगा. Hopefully twice in a month I'll try to post videos. और आप सभी को पसंद आया तो आप सभी कमेंट करो, बताओ कि ऐसा वीडियो और डालना है कि नहीं डालना है, या फिर अगर आपके दिमाग में कुछ है, कुछ नया आइडियाज़ है तो मेरे साथ शेयर करो कमेंट में. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.